Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, as we have already started the topic direct and indirect speech, and we have discussed few rules related to the direct and indirect speech. Now today we will discuss how the tense changes when a direct sentence is changed into indirect sentence. Now these are the few, you can see the tenses, how the tenses change in the reported speech or indirect speech. That is your simple past change into, sorry, simple present change into simple past to past perfect, present perfect to past perfect, present progressive, or you can say continuous to past continuous, then past progressive to perfect progressive. So this is how the tenses change. So you have to keep in mind. Okay, the first thing is that when you see the sentence, okay, first you have to identify the tense in the sentence. Okay, in the direct sentence, what is the tense? First you need to identify that, and then accordingly you need to change the tense in the indirect sentence. So that's why you need to remember the tense change also, because it has a very means while converting direct to indirect sentence, so the tenses play a major role, so you should know. Okay, now let's see few examples, when a simple present changes into simple past. So how the tense change? For example, she said he goes to school daily. Okay, now she said that he went to school daily. So here you have seen that the goes changes into simple past tense, that is went. Now next is your present continuous, that is changed into past continuous. Okay, for present continuous, that you all are familiar, is, am, are and ing form of the verb is used. So that is easy to identify a present continuous sentence. Okay, so once you have seen, for example, he said he is listening to the music. So you can see is there and ing form of the verb is there. So this is will be change into past continuous. Simply you are going to put was or were plus ing form will remain same. So he said that he was listening to the music. Okay, I said it is raining. So इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? I said that it was raining. So in this way the continuous form is changed. Now present perfect changes into past perfect. So present perfect, you all know, has and have plus be. Okay, has and have plus third form of the verb, that is the प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, उसके रूल्स की अगर हम बात करें. सो पास्ट परफेक्ट में सिंपली हैड एंड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज देयर. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी सेड ही हैज़ फिनिश्ड हिज वर्क. सो क्या हो जाएगा? शी सेड दैट ही हैड फिनिश्ड हिज वर्क. सो सिंपली द टेंस विल चेंज. Now present perfect continuous, that is has been or have been plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so this is your present perfect continuous and it changes into past perfect continuous, means had been plus verb की ing form. Simply ये हो जाएगा. For example, he said I have been studying since 3 o'clock. So what will be the change? He said that the pronoun will change accordingly. बाकी बेटा सब रूल सेम रहेंगे, the one which we have discussed. Pronouns जो हैं that will change according to the subject or according to the object. Okay, बस यहाँ पे जो है basically हम tense पे focus करें कि tense कैसे change होगा. तो that you can see present perfect continuous में sentence है and it will become he said that he had been studying since 3 o'clock. Now if the sentence is in simple past, ये था सारे regarding present form. Okay, now अगर past में है, simple past में, he said to me you answered correctly. So past perfect में क्या हो जाएगा? He said to me or he told me is also correct. Said to change into told. He said to me that I had answered correctly. Now you will change according to the object, okay, that is me. me के according जो है pronoun you change होगा, तो यहाँ पे I हो जाएगा. He said to me that I had answered correctly. Now past continuous, it changes into past perfect continuous. For example, they said we were enjoying the weather. So they said that they had been enjoying the weather simply. Okay. Now past perfect जो है it changes into past perfect. The tense does not change. Suppose the sentence is in past perfect. Okay. In that case the sentence remains the same, no change in the tense. Okay. Tense की बात कर रहे हैं, not about the pronoun. Pronoun will change but tense will not change. For example, she said she has visited a doctor. She said that she had visited a doctor. Same it will be. Now future tense की बात करें तो simple future tense में simply will changes into would only. He said I will study the book. He said that he would study the book. So there are other examples also for your understanding that you can see, and you can you will understand how the simple future tense it changes. Now future continuous tense में will be only changes into would be. For example, he said to him I will be waiting for him. So it will be he said to him that I would be waiting for him. Simply हो जाएगा. Okay. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं परफेक्ट टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में विल हैव विल चेंज इनटू वुड हैव. ही सेड आई हैव फिनिश्ड द वर्क. ही सेड दैट he would have finished the work. Okay. Now this is all about the tense change, how the tense changes when a sentence is changed from direct to indirect speech. So hope you all have understood. Thank you everybody.